Welcome back viewers. In this video we are going to work on customer order route. In previous video we have created this customer order table. In this video we will get customer order from customer session card and insert into the database. So let's start. First of all, come here in customer directory, then customer route, and here we have this customer logout. After customer logout, I will create here the customer order route, and I will just do app dot route, and here slash I will just write get order, and then here I will write this login required decorator, and then I will define get underscore order. After that, here I will just write if current user dot is underscore authenticated. We are double checking this one because this login required will also check this, so we are double checking this here. This will be just, I will write here customer underscore ID. This will be equal to current user dot ID, and second here I will write this invoice, and this will be equal to secrets dot token hex, and this will have 5. This 5 will give us 10 character of letters and numbers too. So after invoice I will write here try and then pass, and here I will write accept exception as E, and then I will print this E here, and I will also give it flash message, and this message will be something went wrong while getting order, and I will give it danger. So, and then I will return redirect URL for, I will just redirect to the get cart. So here, and this will redirect us to the cart page. So after that I will come here, and after the register I will just import this customer order, and then I will come here to pass. Here I will just create order, and this will be customer order, and here I will give first will be invoice equal to invoice, and the second will be customer ID. This will be customer ID, and the last one here will be, so let me check here. Yes, we have their invoice status, we have already default value pending, so we don't need. Then the customer ID we need, and date created is also default, so we don't need. Then will be orders. I will come here, this will be orders, so this will be equal to our session cart. So I will simply get this session cart and put it here. So then I will just write db session dot add, and we will add this order, and then I will write here flash message, and this will be your order has been sent. Here I will just write success, and then we will return redirect URL for, and here I will go to home page. So now let's see if our this part of code is working or not. So now let's come here in our site. You see here we have already 3 items in our cart. So I will come here and just okay. So we have to come here in cart.html and give here the route, and this route I will give it URL underscore 4, and here I will give it get underscore order. So now let's see. Okay, and if I come here, you see this is our flash message, and this is saying this order has been sent. So because we cannot see it in home page, we are not displaying message in home page, that's why. So this is working fine from here. Now I will just insert this to the database. It will be db session dot commit. So now we are going to commit and actually saving it inside the database. Now let's check, and I will come here and click the order now. So something went wrong. Oh, this wrong is also. So we have a problem here. Something went wrong, and here I will just write this successfully. And yeah, we have this problem here. Code from here is working. Maybe the problem is in our database. We cannot insert into our database. If I will check here in our terminal, so we are getting this error, and here you can see this error is showing us this error binding parameters for probably unsupported type. So the problem is here in our model because this methods. So this method should have a specific name. We cannot give them any name we want. So we have to change the name of this methods. So this method name will be process underscore bind underscore param. This method name will be process underscore, then will be result param. So these two methods should have these names, otherwise we cannot insert dictionary into our database. So now let's see if we are getting this error or not. I will come here in our route. If this is happened, I will just do another thing. I will just write here session dot pop, and here we will pop this session card name. So we are going to then clear our session card once the cards are inside our database. So now let's check. If I come here, refresh, and now you see if I now click order now, still we have this error. Process. Okay, oh, this should have one C, not double C, and we have also problem here. Result will be like this. So now let's see. This was there just that spelling mistake. Now if I come here and click order now, you see we are redirected to the home page and our cart is 0. Now if I open the terminal here, cd desktop, and inside desktop will be my shop, and then shop, and here if I do the ls, you can see we have this test db here. So I will just write here SQLite 3 and then test db, and now here if I write dot tables, you see we have this outer table here. So I want to get things from this order table. If I write here select star from this table, then semicolon, and then you see, so this is our data are inserted into the database. You see here we have this invoice number, then we have this ID one, and then here we have this invoice number, then the status is pending, and this is the date. Then after we have our cart inside here. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.